Well, you know, when you visit the Hocking Hills and you're looking for one of those restaurants that just has great food, what we call comfort food, well, I suggest you try the Hocking Hills Diner. I certainly have on trips that I've come down to the Hocking Hills. And joining me today is Susie Edwards. Susie, good to have you back on the show.
It's great to be back. It's great to be back.
I know you were off for a while, obviously, with the COVID-19.
We took 2 weeks off, and then we came back and did carry out.
Yeah.
But it wasn't too long, but we're glad to be back.
Well, it's nice to be able to come inside. This is a place I talk about to everybody. I just love the food down here. You do such a great job. So let's start off with your hours. What are you open now?
We open at 6 a.m. every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we close at 8. We stay open until 9 on Friday and Saturday. And Sunday, we close at 6. But every day, we open at 6 a.m.
What is the most favorite item that you have on the menu?
By far, hillbilly omelet. Hillbilly omelet.
And what is in a hillbilly omelet?
Hillbilly omelet is sausage, onion, home fries, cheddar cheese. It is rolled up. We put cheddar cheese and then sausage gravy on top. These are also good favorites. That steak Philly omelet, A1. Can't miss a Susie scrambler.
French
All
toast.
Fresh veggies. That is our blueberry stuffed French toast. We have a few good French toasts. We have banana bread French toast that has the fresh bananas. We also have strawberry stuffed French toast, and we've tried a raspberry crunch French toast too.
What do you think separates you from other restaurants?
Homemade food. Homemade food. Things are cut here. We make homemade rolls. We do homemade noodles. We have homemade mashed potatoes. You can't find that very many places.
No, you can't.
Our employees, good employees that care about their job. Most of them have been here for a long time. So that in itself is a great thing.
Tell us how we find you and how we learn more.
Coming down 33, we are right off the 328 exit. You get off the exit and you come down like you're going to Save a Lot, turn right, we're the first driveway on the right. So you just get right off the highway, we're right off the highway, 328 exit.
Hocking Hills Diner, you got to try it. It's absolutely delicious. Susie, thanks for having us back out again.
Thank you, thank you. Now you're going to have to fill up before you leave.
I'm going to have to do that. Thanks so much for being on the show.
Thank you.